Today we're making King's Hawaiian pumpkin cinnamon rolls. We're starting with soft Hawaiian rolls, filling them with pumpkin and warm cinnamon spice. Then we're finishing them with a sweet glaze for an easy fall breakfast or dessert.
It looks like you're starting with putting some nonstick spray on the pan.
You would be correct. So we've got our King's Hawaiian, and we're going to put them in there. All right, so the first thing is we're going to use an apple corer. Dig down in there a little bit and not go all the way. All right, so I'm going to go down in there, and I'm going to pull out a decent amount of bread. I might have gone too far on that one. Yeah, I went all the way down.
Yeah, you don't want to go all the way through.
So basically, it's like 3 twists.
And of course, you can do the same thing with a knife.
But we're just trying to use our apple peeler corer.
We're going to set this aside for the moment.
And now we're going to make up what we're going to brush on the top.
Right, and for that, you put in a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then you're going to use 2/3 of your cinnamon. You put it all in there.
So butter,
2/3 of that.
cinnamon. This will be really cinnamony, and I like cinnamon, so it'll be just fine because we're going to be the ones eating. And we will be sharing with some people.
We're just going to give this a nice quick melt. It's going to be about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. All right. Hey, good. Mix that up.
All right, so I'm going to mix this.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to set this to the side.
And then you're going to put it right over the top of those. Be generous.
I always try to be generous.
You've got a lot of it.
All right, so I brushed these in these little corners.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, especially down the sides. Because, if there's one area that will dry out when you're baking, it's these sides.
So we're going to make sure that doesn't happen today.
So let's set these aside again. So here you are going to mix your cream cheese, your
Okay, so we're using the cream cheese.
Yep. Pumpkin,
Some pumpkin.
half a teaspoon of
Cinnamon.
cinnamon.
You could also use pumpkin spice.
Absolutely.
And we're going to combine these.
Now you're going to add your vanilla.
Okay.
Vanilla in.
Did you put the sugar in?
Nope. Here's the egg.
What's next is you are going to spoon that into the walnuts. That's something else you could also do is you could put this in a high wing bag.
You could.
So now that you have done that, you're going to throw them in the oven.
Okay, for how long?
15 to 20 minutes at 375.
Okay, so it looks like this powdered sugar and this milk. Would I be correct?
It would be powdered sugar and milk. Looks like it might need a little.
It's going to need more liquid. Yeah.
Do you think a little vanilla also?
Yeah, I think some vanilla, and I also think more milk. Or we've got some coffee creamer in there that would also add a nice texture. And it always, especially if you're using a flavored creamer, it really gives it a good flavor. This one, I'm going to use just a splash of Italian sweet cream coffee creamer.
You want to mix that really well because you don't want any lumps.
No.
All right, so those have come out of the oven, and they only took 10 minutes. If we had put these down for 15, they probably would have come out black. Now, if you don't want to use a bag, you can also just put it on a spoon and let it drip off the edge of a spoon, or sort of fall. Drizzle, yes.
That's what we're going to do.
We're going to drizzle it.
Just like we did with that that butter spread. We're going to make sure
Try to get some down the sides.
that we get some to go down the sides.
So we're going to invite you to make this, like, subscribe, comment, tell us how you like making it, and then watch this video next.
Bye.